Ever wondered which incredible creatures we'll never see again? Let's dive into the top 5 most fascinating extinct animals. Number 5. The woolly mammoth. These giants roamed during the Ice Age but vanished about 4,000 years ago. A double whammy of climate change and human hunting led to their demise. Number 4. The saber-toothed tiger. Not actually a tiger, but famous for its huge 20-centimeter-long fangs. This apex predator disappeared around 10,000 years ago, leaving behind a legendary reputation. Number 3. The dodo bird, found only on the island of Mauritius. This flightless bird was gone by 1681. Sadly, human hunting and introduced species wiped them out completely. Number 2. Megalodon. Imagine a shark up to 20 meters long. This monster ruled the oceans, but went extinct about 3.6 million years ago, a true titan of the deep. And at number 1, the dinosaurs. They dominated our planet for over 160 million years before a massive meteorite impact ended their reign, 66 million years ago. From the T-Rex to the Triceratops, they are the ultimate lost world. Which one would you bring back? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts.